Hello guys, I'm CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Today is Monday and start of the week and I am hungry. Wasa ta mga guys, nata diri sa KKD STK Barbecue. Yay mga unmade diri sa KKD with the vlogger Kigwas. Kigwa Martin. Kigwa Flip. Kigwa Flip. Oh, Kigwa B. Tuna boys. So muna ka diri sa KKD guys. Muna ka na sa heaven. Gusto kong hangin diri ko. Ako kayo. Nasa heaven ako. Nako ko nakitaan din guys, kung bago kayo kalit dessert. Para nako, karoon pa yung kitaan ni. Karoon pa tayo kitaan ni, for sure. So this is their leche flan. Chocolate na siya, wala na siya nag-joke. Chocolate din na siya. Lamig siya. So, lamig siya boy. Lamig bitaw siya. Wala chocolate yun. Oh. Oh, what's this good? Kalamig. Ay, busog na ko guys. Busog guys. Guys, so na po balik sa office, overexpose ang camera o underexposed ang camera. So muna siya, no? Unya. Let's draw the winners of the CJ Red Cup giveaways right now. So let us start our giveaway and choose our winner. Alright. So the third number mugawas mga first winner. Let's go. 2, 3. Number 4. Number 4 is Tadang! Uy, Jenny Garcia. And up in Facebook. Congratulations. Next. 1, 2, 3. Number 7. Number 7. Jhon, Carlo Aporbo in Facebook. Congratulations. And the last winner is 2, 3. Number 28. Number 28 is Kurolicious in YouTube. Congratulations guys. Thank you so much for joining the CJ Red Cup giveaways and enjoy the Red Cup. Alright guys, so I'm going somewhere. So goodbye Philippines, USA. This is gonna be my first international travel. So good luck. Yes, I will be away for a week. So see you next week guys. So guys, expected nga dugay kung maabot sa akong destination. Sumukhaon sa akong panihapon kay gutom kayo. Gisod na kayo. If papasmo ta. Diba? Food is life. Sige bye.
2 hours later.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome aboard. Thank you. Hi, welcome aboard.
For taking. Oh my god guys, I'm here at the exit door right now. See, exit the wing. So good luck lang yun ako ani. Yeah, and let's teleport in 3, 2, 1. I can't believe it, I'm staying here. And look at the view. Oh. Wala ba tayo makita? Kaya ngit-ngit. It's dark already. It's already 1 a.m. and I really need to sleep, but I can't sleep yet. I have things to do. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe and see you in the next vlog.